Hey guys, today I will be working on a 16 by 20 canvas, and I did cover it all in black paint, and that is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And I'm going to be using my airbrush today, so that should be fun. And the colors that I'm using, I'm going to start out with some colors that I already have, and this one is Eggplant. And I think that's from FolkArt. And then I also have Mediterranean, and that is from Craftsmart. I have this pink, and it's from the Fine Touch. I do have some other colors that I'm probably going to use. I have Phthalo blue, which is from the Fine Touch, and white, which is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And then I'll just put everything in the description when I get done, because some of these are made already and have, I think the blue has a little bit of alcohol in it, the Mediterranean. Alright, so I'm going to start in the middle. I'll give you the up above, and then we'll go in for a close-up. Because this kind of looks like a hot mess if you look at it like this. When you go in and look at all the detail, it looks really cool. There's so much detail in this painting. I mean, that looks pretty cool right there. Alright, so there it is. It's one of my favorite things to use, the air gun or airbrush. And I love the way it moves the paint around and creates all the different effects. Anyway, so I really like it. Hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe.